Good morning, everyone. Thank you to all participants for making it here. I will be really very short because this is about CABRI and this is about you as country delegations that took your time and came here. As Global Fund, we are extremely pleased to work with CABRI and to have representatives of the Ministries of Health and Ministries of Finance from the 7 countries that are part of this program for this year to come together. We always speak about establishing very functional relationships between Ministries of Health and Ministries of Finance, but often it just remains a wish. And through working closely with you and with CABRI, we saw an opportunity for this to be done in a continuous basis, to be done in a structured way, and that we hope will go ahead. This is an initial phase, and it will go ahead in the years that come. I mean, now in our region, we speak a lot about more money for health, but we have all come to realize that for the health systems to move ahead and for the outcomes in the region to be achieved through domestic resources, the issue is not only more money. Of course, we need to have more money, but a very and as important issue, especially when the fiscal space is not there, is for this money to be spent effectively and efficiently. And that's what we hope through this program. You will establish those points that we can marry the objectives of the Ministries of Health that looks in terms of needs and in terms of patient outcomes, and Ministries of Finance that often speak about value for money, fiscal ceilings, opportunity costs, and trades-off. So I have studied both. I am a medical doctor, and then I went into health economics, so I can see the point of views of both sides, and that's what we as Global Fund hope you will reach through this course, that given the points of views, the difficult situation, economic situation where we are, and the ever-increasing needs, you will be able to establish that dialogue and to find very practical ways to work with each other so that both of you can deliver, one in terms of health outcomes and the other in terms of fiscal pressure and the availability of resources in countries. We are very proud that these are all country initiatives, so that you as countries came together and looked at the issues that you have in your countries and decided to work systematically through these issues. As you know, we are not expecting big changes or big policy reforms. We are just expecting that you come together and you find very concrete solutions, starting from a very low practical level and then building upon. I will close by saying that it is very nice that you will work within countries, that you will have this possibility for the rest of the year. But I'm very proud to say that we have secured funding for the next 3 years. So even for you that will go through this structured discussion, we will have funding in the years to come so that you can continue, so that what you started doesn't finish with 1 year. And then we also hope that we will have more countries to come. So this is the first part. And the second part is, we see at the Global Fund that it is very important that you work within countries, but that you are part also of a community of countries with whom you can exchange, you can learn, you can share experience. And in that sense, for us, it's very, very important that beyond this, we also support CABRI to have the possibility to convene you in the years to come, because regional exchange and learning within the region is very important for us. Thank you very much for having me here, and I really wish you very fruitful discussions in this very important stage of your program. Thank you.